Hidden deep within the dense rainforests of the Western Ghats, Yana Caves in Karnataka offer a surreal and spiritual escape into nature. Towering black limestone rock formations, sacred legends, a scenic trek, and an atmosphere of deep silence make this place one of the most unique natural wonders in India. Located about 140 kilometers from Karwar and 75 kilometers from Gokarna, Yana is still untouched by mass tourism. Instead of crowds, you'll find dense forest trails, fluttering butterflies, and the sound of rushing streams. What makes Yana Caves so unique? The highlight of Yana is its two massive monolithic rock formations, Bhairaveshwara Shikhara and Mohini Shikhara, rising sharply from the forest floor to heights of 120 and 90 meters. Formed from solid black limestone, these twin formations look like they have been carved by giants. The area around the rocks is full of interesting geological patterns, natural caves, and sacred shrines, with a Shiva temple nestled inside one of the caves, drawing spiritual seekers and curious travelers alike. Adventure and fun activities at Yana Caves. Forest trek to the caves. Reaching the Yana Caves requires a 3-kilometer forest trek. The trail is well marked but natural, with streams, birdsong, and light filtering through the dense forest canopy. It's a peaceful yet energizing walk. Cave exploration. Once you reach the limestone towers, you can explore the cave system that winds through the Bhairaveshwara rock. Cool, damp interiors, natural drip formations, and the echo of footsteps create a surreal cave experience. The Shivalinga inside the cave is constantly bathed in water from a natural spring above. Photography and rock formations. The contrasting black limestone against the green forest backdrop makes Yana a dream for landscape photographers. The scale and shape of the formations are unlike anything else in India. Visit the sacred stream. A small stream flows near the base of the caves. Many travelers sit by it to rest after the trek, soak their feet, or just enjoy the calming sound of the water running through stones. Trekking beyond to Vibhuti Falls. A short drive from Yana leads to Vibhuti Waterfalls, one of the most beautiful yet uncrowded waterfalls in the region. Surrounded by thick forest, the waterfall cascades into a shallow pool, perfect for a refreshing dip after the trek. Birdwatching and nature study. The surrounding forests are rich in biodiversity, from colorful butterflies to rare birds. This makes Yana a great spot for quiet observation, especially in the early morning or after light rain. When to visit Yana Caves? The best time to visit is between October and March, when the weather is pleasant and the trail is dry. Avoid the monsoon if you're not used to slippery forest paths, though the landscape becomes incredibly lush during rains. Essential travel tips. Wear sturdy trekking shoes, as the trail can be uneven. Carry water and light snacks. There are limited facilities near the caves. Start early in the day to avoid trekking in high humidity. Be respectful inside the cave temple. No loud noise or photography inside. Consider combining your trip with a Gokarna or Sirsi for a longer itinerary. Mobile networks are weak in this forest region, so download maps offline. If you've been searching for a place where nature, adventure, and spirituality meet, Yana Caves is it. Here, the forest feels alive, the rocks speak of ancient legends, and the silence stays with you long after you've left. If this guide inspired you or helped you plan your next adventure, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We bring you lesser known and meaningful travel destinations every week. Your support helps us reach more explorers and keep the journey going. Quick facts about Yana Caves. Location: Uttara Kannada District, Karnataka. Distance: 75 kilometers from Gokarna, 140 kilometers from Karwar. Key attractions: Bhairaveshwara and Mohini Shikhara. Cave temple. Entry fee free. Best season: October to March. Nearby spots: Vibhuti Falls, Gokarna, Mirjan Fort. Yana isn't just a tourist place, it's a passage into a deeper, slower, and more soulful side of travel. It's not just about reaching the caves, but about everything the journey teaches you on the way.